Hello, today's Google tip is to show you Google Maps Gallery. There's tons of amazing maps that have been created by governments, publications, magazines, educational resources, and so these are available for you to use. So I'm going to go into the search here, and I'm going to type in Lewis Clark map, and we're going to find a famous example of a map that comes from the Lewis and Clark expedition. So this is an historical map. It was created, if we hit the little information button here, it tells us that this was the map created in 1814. It's published by somebody named Samuel Lewis, but it uses William Clark's manuscript from the Journey. So this is pretty cool. This is the historical map, and it's overlaid on top of the real map, the modern map today. And if I come down here and I click on this little menu button, it's going to give me 3 different layers that I can turn off or on. So this first one is a layer that shows us the expedition's journey. So I can zoom in just a little bit and I can see the journey of Lewis and Clark and the core discovery. I could also click on this, which gives you a dot everywhere that there is a campsite that they stopped at. And then I can also turn on the map itself. So I can zoom into this map. I can look at specific areas. So let's say I want to look at how they came up through South Dakota. I can zoom in a little bit. And over here, you have the ability to turn the map on or off as far as the opaqueness of the map, which is really cool. So you can kind of see how accurate their map was. You can see where they stopped as far as campsites. You can zoom in or out if you want to. A very, very cool map if you're talking about the core discovery. And then over here, you have the option to hit the share button. You can share it using a variety of social media. You can also click on embed on my site. So if you wanted to put this on a classroom website, this gives you the HTML code. You copy this, you then place it on your website, and this map will show up inside your web page. Very, very cool. You can also go to full screen, and it'll show up full screen for you. You can pull up this window, and you can even change it from a political view to a satellite. And again, if you pull this down, you can then go in or out, and you can see the geography, the satellite image, compared to the historical map. So very cool tool. Almost every National Geographic map that they have included inside their magazine is available on the gallery. So there are literally thousands of maps that have already been created that you can bring into your classroom. That's today's Google tip.